a wild-eyed kid from Waco, running loose and fancy free. All of our friends said I was crazy, but you were crazier than me. Sometimes we knew what we were after, sometimes we didn't have a clue. But thunderstorms and Tyler roses always make me think of you. Frank and Lisa's moved to Denver, and I've lost track of Will and Jim. I'm still living here in Fort Worth, I'm just the way I've always been. I played a show last night in Austin, and it rained when I was through. But thunderstorms and Tyler roses always make me think of you. Sometimes I hate this getting older, it ain't as easy as before. That world we knew in '87 won't be turning anymore. And this week's been cold and cloudy, and the rain is bittersweet. I saw a man today in Dallas selling roses on the street. Well, you might wonder why I bought them, and I might tell you if I knew. But thunderstorms and Tyler roses always make me think of you. Yeah, you might wonder why I bought them, and I might tell you if I knew. But thunderstorms and Tyler roses always make me think of you. Yeah, thunderstorms and Tyler roses always make me think of you.